it's me, James. Today is my birthday, my 10th birthday, and I got a bazooka with gloves so you don't cut yourself. Some, whatever this is. What's this?
Your blue tape, you wrap that around like a finger so you don't cut your finger?
Oh, okay. And this to sharpen the blade?
I guess, I don't know.
I don't know what this is.
Clear.
Chalk, I think, I don't know.
Clear chalk.
And I'm pretty sure that this
It's all
is
the
the
knives.
knife.
And then
Wow.
here are the pieces of wood.
These knives are fancy. Whoa. I've never seen these many knives.
And then it also comes with stickers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and sandpaper.
James, what are you going to work on? A spoon first?
Yeah.
And Grace, what are you drawing? A rabbit?
Yeah, bunny. But after, I think we'll have to sand them down. Well,
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So James, what do you got so far?
So far I've got the bowl, the part that you eat done, and I also have to carve the spoon out. And there's one big problem with the spoon. It doesn't fit in my mouth. So I also have to carve it to make it fit. So, hey guys, it's me, James. So this is my spoon that I made. It took me about like 4 days maybe.
Maybe a little longer.
Yeah. And so I used all of these tools except for this one. I never used this one. This one's still closed. And so, yeah.
So what are you going to do now?
So now we're going to use the Dremel to engrave my name. And yeah, so. And to smoothen the inside of the bowl so that I didn't cut myself when I...
Just bought this Dremel kit. We had the Dremel. Now we're just going to engrave. James wants to do his name, so we're going to put the engraving bit on it. All right.
I'm holding. I feel like I'm holding it wrong. Hi guys, thanks for watching. So I engraved my name, colored the name in, and put 2 or 3 coats of polyurethane on it. And so the bad thing is with the polyurethane is you can't cook with it. You can't cook with it, but still, what am I gonna need to cook with it?